It is Caden's birthday. Today is Tuesday, June the 30th. And we officially have a teenager, you guys. Caden turned 13 today. And we have kind of been chilling, really. Just kind of kicking it about. B-roll footage you guys probably saw. Saturday we took him and 3 of his friends to Sky Zone. It's a trampoline park, and they did a 2-hour block of just running, jumping, playing. They have some video games inside, in addition to like some acrobatic type things, dodgeball, just boy things. And when I asked him what he wanted to do for his birthday, that's what he told me. It's crazy because when you have boys, life just moves differently. They are not as like enthusiastic as girls, in my personal opinion. And so I feel like the 2 months leading up to today and me asking him about his birthday, he had nothing for me. And then a few weeks ago, he was like, oh, we were coming from the grocery store, and I was like, oh, what do you want to do for your birthday? And he was like, oh, I want to go to Sky Zone. So we got that set up for him, and he had a great time. Cam enjoyed himself. It's crazy because when you are a little brother, and your brother is like 6.5 years older than you hang with the big kids, and he always has a great time hanging with Caden's friends as well. So he enjoyed himself as well. And then after we did Sky Zone, we took them to Chipotle because that's what Caden wanted. And they got something. Whoa, sorry y'all. And they got food, and then they hung out for a few hours after that at one of his friends' house. And, you know, that was the gist of his day. And then today, he, I guess, decided that he wanted to sleep in because Caden got up rather late. But we did go and have breakfast at First Watch, and he opened all of his gifts and everything. He got all of the things that he requested, new shoes and clothing items, a few specific comic books that he was wanting, and a video game, and a specific clothing item that he was wanting. He was wanting the a Nike tech suit. These kids, especially boys, when they see their daddy in something, child, it ends up being the end-all be-all. So we got him all the things that he wanted, and then right now I'm actually headed to go pick up his birthday cake. He wanted a Reese's ice cream cake, and so I'm going to pick that up for him. I had already picked up like the balloons with the number 13 on them, but they always want ice cream cakes, and it's always like a battle for room in the freezer. Where's my phone? For room in the freezer. So in an effort for it like not to melt, I waited a little while to go pick it up, but that's what I'm getting ready to do now. It has been, I feel like I haven't really talked to y'all because it has been like a whirlwind for me these last few weeks, and that is because after the wedding we've just been like all over the place, whether it's for me like doing name change stuff, getting paperwork in for that, work stuff, the kids, summer, making sure they stay like busy and active to the best of my ability. My birthday is coming up My mom's birthday is Friday. 4th of July is Saturday. We just have been nonstop. It was like wedding, Mother's Day, end of school year activities, Father's Day, Juneteenth, Kaden's birthday, my mom's birthday, 4th of July, my birthday, and then they go back to school. Right after my birthday, they go to school, the top of August. So I'm just all over the place. And I also wanted to ensure that I was going ahead and doing everything that was necessary for back to school. So I have actually already completed a good 75% of what I need to do for Cam. He already has uniforms, he already has all of his school supplies, and I already started on his lunch stuff. The only thing that I need to order for him is his new backpack and lunch box and water bottle. And for Kaden, he's the one that I kind of need to dig a little deeper with. I've gotten some things for him, but not all, some uniform things, but he has to get a new school blazer this year. So I need to go ahead and have him fitted for that and get it ordered because it has to have the crescent on it. What else do I need to do for Kaden? They both need shoes, so that's something I'm probably going to do this week because I think there's 4th of July sales that are going on right now. I need to finish up Kaden's school supplies. I started, but I haven't finished. And then my birthday is at the end of July, and so I need to go ahead and do my admissions and my registration. So it's just a busy week for me. I got a lot going on. I think what I'm going to do is try to knock everything out. I also need to schedule an eye doctor appointment and a dentist appointment for the kids, so I can go ahead and knock that out as well before it's time for back to school. Yeah, I'm just a busy bee. I have not been in the gym. And that's another thing that has me vexed, because when I tell y'all we are literally sitting at 155 strong, I have not moved since I hit my initial goal. And that is bothering me because I set a second goal and I just haven't even moved to it, progressed to it or anything. So I got to kick it back into high gear and get my life together as far as being back in the gym, or at least being back more active. I'm active, but I'm not as active. That's what's allowed me to kind of just maintain at 155 with no issue. But I need to really push to get to my next goal, which is my final goal. So that's why it's so important to me. What else is going on? Oh, we need to get fireworks because we're probably gonna grill or something this weekend for the holiday. Y'all know Clarence always does a fireworks show for the kids when he can. So there's that. We were supposed to go to the country, but if we did, it would have been too quick of a turnaround time for us. So we chose not to.
These are your total fees. Please select a payment option. Please wait while the credit card reader initializes. Your document is printing.
What's this? A Richie sour? Okay. And what do you want? Can I get this one? Yeah.
I see a red house and no castle.
No castle?
Yeah, just
Do you see any animals?
No, it's all blank. Just liminal space. All blank except for the garden.
And that's deer right on.
Yeah, it's the
Do you
same
see
thing.
anything different? Everything still looks the same?
I see a light line.
You see a line? What color is the line?
White.
White?
Yeah.
How many lines do you see?
I see 1, 2, 3.
3?
Yeah, 3 lines.
You sure you don't see 4?
I don't see 4. But if I count the fences,
Then you will see more.
Yeah. Cause like the line have different fences.
What color's the fence?
White.
White.
Just
Just
like
stay still for me?
Yeah.
Oh, girl. Is there a door? Is there a door?
Yes, a brown one.
It's a brown one?
Yes.
Is anybody coming out of the door?
No.
No. Are you sure?
Yeah. I don't see anyone coming.
Open wide for me? Stay still for me. Look straight ahead.
Okay.
Kim said, set them off, set them off, set them off, set them off.
He's recording too.
Mm-hmm.
Mama.
Set them off, set them off, set them off.